Hello, we shall talk about risk management in this video. We will be talking about drone project risk, risk impact, and its management process. But what is risk? Our future is full of uncertainties. Regardless of how well we can predict what is to come, the future lies almost completely in the dark to us. Some of these events that are yet to occur can have a negative impact on the progress of our projects. Any uncertain event or condition that, if occurs, has a positive or negative effect on a project is called risk. Risk management. The process of identifying, analyzing, and responding to any risk that arises over the life cycle of a project to help the project remain on track and meet its goal. Types of risk can be categorized by probability of them occurring and their impact. There are the known knowns, risks we know about, but their likeliness is uncertain. There is a randomness in the occurrence of these events. We could calculate the probability of one of the numbers appearing on a die when we cast it, but there is no way we could be certain which number that would be. Then there are the known unknowns, risks that arise from gaps in our knowledge. These gaps we are aware of. The unknown unknowns, these are the risks that arise from gaps in our knowledge about which we are completely ignorant. Things we don't know that we don't know. And then we have the unknown knowns. Things that we have the knowledge of but have become lost or obscured, often within organizational records.